In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset progress on Edpuzzle as a student. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side area of your dashboard and click the My Classes. Now, open the assignment that you have, for example, this specific video, click on it, and if there is an option for you to click the restart or try again button, please do that. Okay, but for now, click the entirety of the video and answer all the information that is needed. For example, this one needs to be answered, let's say, click the next question. Now here, once the assignment opens and up to the end, you have the option to rewatch it again from the beginning and redo the questions. Did you get that? For example, you are just right here. Maybe your question or maybe your answer was not right. You can reset the answer. For example, I'm going to choose this instead and click the next question, and then so on and so forth. It's very simple. After confirming the video will start over from the beginning, I highly suggest you watch the entire video again and answer the questions as they appear. Okay? So we're going to choose this and click the submit button. Click the next question. Now I'm going to choose this instead. Click the continue. Once you are happy with all your progress, click the submit button. It's super simple, all right? Now you will be graded accordingly on your answers because you have restarted and tried all your options again on that specific assignment. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to reset progress on Edpuzzle as a student. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.